there is an easy way and a hard way to put all this lead shot into my handlebars to help kill vibration. I picked the easy way. I think it was the easy way, now it's going to be the hard way. So I'm not convinced I've got enough lead in here. I haven't ridden it yet, but I don't think there's enough lead in here. That bag probably filled it 1/3 of the way, and it's not exactly cheap buying lead. So the principle is the same as this dead blow hammer. There's lead inside here, and what it does is when this hits, instead of bouncing, all those little lead balls take up the energy trying to bounce the hammer back up, and they reduce that amount of energy, reduces vibration felt, reduces the motion of the vessel carrying it. So just apply that to handlebars. Maybe it'll work. I've heard some old timers talking about doing that. They drop split shot fishing weights in there, or small caliber lead bullets in there, which, I mean, whatever you want, all that stuff is expensive to buy now. If you can buy scrap wheel weights and set up a burner and a thing to drop the little molten lead balls, like drip, 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 into cold water to make balls, that'd be a cheaper way to do it, but who's got the time or energy or willingness to breathe in lead fumes to do that? So I just got a bag of it off of eBay and put it in there. So I'll report back later how this has either improved or not changed at all, or maybe even made it worse. Okay. So the good news is that lead shot actually did help. I put 2 pounds of 7.5 shot in it, which is for gun reloading. It's shotgun pellets. 2 pounds of 7.5 shot, and it's a noticeable difference. It's a great noticeable difference. Low speed, I never had vibration issues in the handlebars. Anywhere like 50 up to however fast I care to go, there was noticeable vibration in the handlebars, and that's been severely dampened by putting that lead shot in there. I think I might put one more bag in, but it's also something that you're going to have diminishing returns with, meaning, you put 2 pounds in, you get that much result. The next 2 pounds you put in, you get that much result. So it's not going to be as much of an improvement with that second bag. And if you're going to do the whole thing, I think you'd need 4 bags, but also the way dead blow hammers and this kind of dampening works is you need some space for them to move around a little bit too. So I'd say maybe 4 pounds in this. It's a fat bar that tapers. It's a CB500X, so it's like 1.25 inches in the middle, and it tapers out to a 7/8 bar on the ends. It's going to vary depending on the wall thickness of your handlebars and how wide they are and all kinds of other stuff. But I think 4 pounds of 7.5 shot in a CB500X is what you would want. But just one bag, one single 2 pound bag of 7.5 shot is enough to make a really good difference. And I will say this bike I've got, it did come with bar end weights from the factory, as most new bikes do now, but I took those out to put Barkbuster handguards in. So I'm probably back to where it was stock, but to me the Barkbusters are more important than the bar end weights. Snapping levers off, dropping the bike, whatever, and just having that wind protection, just day-to-day wind protection from your hands is huge. And then when it's really cold out, I put the Hippo hands over top of those. So I need the Barkbusters. The lead probably brought me back to where this bike was stock with the handlebar vibration. But if you have bar end weights and they're not doing enough, try throwing some lead in there. Maybe it'll work.